Hey, the captain here. 7 p.m. update from Boca Raton, Florida on Hurricane Milton. In the last hour and a half, we've had 7 to 12 major F2 tornadoes run through Palm Beach County and Okeechobee County. A lot of destruction. One of the sheriff's departments lost their entire building. The winds are maintaining here at constant, probably between 20 and 25 miles per hour, with some gusts right now increasing to about 40 miles an hour every once in a while. I think the outer band rains, initial rains, have passed us in those strong winds. We'll get another burst of it when it actually makes landfall. But I think we'll do pretty good here in Palm Beach and Broward counties. That's why I set up our base of operations for rescue, recovery, and relief in Pompano Beach. Just looking at the spaghetti models and where this force was supposed to go. So I think we're in good position. Like I said in my previous videos, we are locked and loaded. We are ready for rescue and immediate recovery once this storm hits, throughout the storm, and then immediately after the storm we'll continue rescue and recovery, but majorly mobilize our Pompano Beach hub to deploy relief supplies by helicopter from Boca International Airport into the fields of where the most damage will happen. We hope that everyone stays safe. If I am able to, in another 3 hours, to come out here and give you another update, I'll do it. But for now, Captain out. Everyone be safe, and may God protect us.